Hi to everyone. Now we will see implementation of various operations of binary search tree. Among those, first one is creation of a binary search tree. In the previous video, you already see how to create a binary search tree. So, based upon that knowledge, I am directly constructing a binary search tree for the given data. So, first I will get 10, then I will take 5. Is 5 less than 10? So I will go for left side. Then 9 I will take, 9 less than 10 left side, 9 greater than 5, so right side. Next 14, 14 is greater than right side, so go for 14. Next 12, 12 is greater than 10 but less than 14, so this side. Next I got 1, that is 5 less than 1, so like this. And then I got node 6, so I will go for 6 less than 10, 5 greater than 6, 9 less than 6, so I will go for creating. Okay, this is the corresponding binary search tree for the given nodes. Okay, fine. Now, already you know how to implement a binary tree. You know how to implement a binary tree. In a binary tree, a node contains 3 fields. The node contains 3 fields. Why I am taking 3 fields? One is for data field, another is for to point to the or to link to the left subtree, another is for to link to the right subtree. To link to the right subtree. Meaning that if you want to implement any tree concept, we require a node with 3 fields, right? So similarly, in binary search tree also, we need a n number of nodes with each node contains 3 fields as minimum, right? Now I will just represent the linked representation of this corresponding binary search tree, so that while writing the logic it will be easy for you. Okay, so I am writing just linked representation for this one. So first we are going to create one node with value 10 and node 5, node 14, node 1, node 9, node 12 and node 6. How it is connected? 10 is less than 5, 10 is greater than 14 is greater than 10, 12 is less than 14 and 9 is greater than 5, 1 is less than 5 and 6 is less than 9. Now you know already all this. In binary we have seen, right? This node address, let us take 100, this node address 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and 700. So generally for our understandability we are drawing like this, but in the system internally it won't be like this. It will maintain pointers to this one, right? So if it wants to connect to this one, or if this node 10 wants to connect 5, it has to know the address 200. So here we are going to write 200, here we are going to write 300, here we are going to write 400. Why? Because it is pointing to the left side. 500, it is pointing to the left side with the data 700. And is there any data on the right side? No. So we will make it as null. It is also not pointing to anything. Null, 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 null. There is no right side data null, and there is a left side data, so I am going to write 600. Okay, this is the corresponding linked representation of the corresponding binary search tree. Okay, fine. Now we will write the logic for to implement this binary search tree. Creation logic. Okay, fine. So first, whenever I am going to create a node, first I will start from the root node. I will start from the root node, right? So I will just simply write creation logic. Creation of binary search tree. Creation of a binary search tree. Okay, fine. Now, what I am going to do is, first what I have to do, I have to create a node, or before going to create a node, we need to accept some data from the user. So for that, printf, please enter data which you want to insert. So for that, I have instead of writing all this, I am simply writing read node value. Read node value. So to which location I need to load value? I need to load into the one particular node. So before going to read the node value, first we need to define one memory location for that one. So that memory location I need to create, right? I need to create. That memory location address is 100. It is for just our assumption. For our simplicity, I am just defining. So first we need to create a node with 3 fields, right? So for that, you know already logic. That is a struct node, int left link, int data, int right link. Sorry, it is a pointer, right? So it is one second structure field that you already know. So I don't want, right? So if you want to create a node, you need to use some malloc function that you already know. So I am not writing anything. So this line represents creation of a temporary node. Creation of a temporary node. So I have created one node, right? So in this one, so just remember, if you take this, middle one is data field, left side is a LL, left link field, and right side is a RL link. Just remember. Okay, so I have created. So this is left link field, right link field, and data, right? So for example, our structure contains data field. So I am going to take data, temp tends to data equal to read the value, whatever the value, and in the same line I am writing temp tends to right link reference RL, and temp tends to left link equal to, I am simply defining it as a null. I'll write here, no problem. Temp tends to left link equal to null, and temp tends to right link equal to null. Meaning that up to here, I have created a node. For example, I have read here the value is 10. So I will get the value 10. Left side is null and right side is null. This particular node name is 10, but for system it's having some matter that is 100. Okay, fine. We have created a node. Okay, fine. Then what I am going to do is, before going to do all this process, I have a root node. With an address null. Okay. Actually, in the class I have clearly defined why I am taking this also. Okay. Fine. So I have taken this as null. So when the root value is null, the meaning of this one is there are no elements present in the tree. When the root value is null, there are no elements present in the tree, right? Whenever I am going to create a node, what I need to do? I need to check for whether there exists any data or not. If there exists no data, what I can say, this is the first node. So if I want to make this as first node, I need to simply make here the address as 100, so that it will act as a root node. So first, before going to construct a tree, you need to check for whether the created node is a first node or subsequent nodes are not, we need to find. So for that logic is, when the root node is null, I can say that this is the first node. When the root node is not null, this is not the first node, right? So in for our case, that is the first node, right? So for that I am writing checking if root double equal to null. Yes, root double equal to null. See here. Right? Root actually null, we have created a node. So now when root is null, what I can say, this is the first node. When this is the first node, I need to make it as a root node, right? So for that, if I want to make this as root node, I need to make it as 100. So what I can say, this address I need to copy into this part location. This part location name is root. This part location name is temp. So simply I can write root equal to temp. That's it. If it is a subsequent nodes, we need to change the logic. Okay, fine. Meaning that it has connected like this. Next, once again, user is asking for creation of a particular node. Now, it is going to create a node. Right? When the user is asking for to create a binary system, it is going to create a node and it is going to read some value. That value, let us assume that the value is 5. That it is going to place at the location data, and left side value it is going to place null, right side value it is going to place null. I just want to check, is the root value is null? No. When the root value is null, no. 100 double equal null? No. It is false. So what can I say? It is not the first node. Then I need to place this data in its exact position. So where I can place? First I need to check with the corresponding root node. When I check with the root node, is 5 less than 10? Yes. When 5 less than 10, I need to check. So this process you need to repeat, right? So I will write the logic. So what you need to do is, you need to check. First I will check this value with this value. If temp tends to data, meaning that this value is less than or equal to, in the morning in the class I have defined, right? Where it's depend upon implement. Temp tends data is less than or equal to root tends to data. Then what I can say that this is the, this corresponding data. Now temp is this one, right? Temp is this one, temp is 200. 5 is less than 10? Yes. Then where I need to insert this data? This value 5 is insert to the left side of this node 10. If I want to insert to the left side of this node 10, what changes I need to modify? I need to modify here 200. If I modify here 200 so that it will be linked like this. So when temp tends data is less than or equal to root tends data, what I can say? Simply root tends to left link. So this location I can go, right? Root tends to left link equal to, I can write 10. Left link equal to 10. Otherwise, root tends to right link equal 10. For example, here there is some problem. Try to wait for something. For example, now, okay, this is fine. For example, now user is once again asking for to create a binary search tree. Now, 5 completed, right? Now user is asking for to create the node 9. Then what we are going to do? We are going to create a node with a value 9, left side null, right side null. Up here, okay, no problem. Now root null, no, meaning that this is not the first node. Then it is going to execute the else condition. Then it is going to check this. If temp tends to it, what is temp now? This is 200. Now this is temp. Temp tends data is 9. Is 9 less than root value is 100. 100 less than 100 tens data is 10, right? Is 9 less than 10? Yes. Okay. Now what is going on? root tends to left link equal 10. What is root tends to left link? Root is 100, 100 tends to left link is 200. 200 in 200 plus what it is going to copy? It is going to copy the address of this one is 500. Okay. So it is going to modify as a 500, meaning that it is going to link like this. It is going to link like this. As it is not maintaining the point at 200, so it will lose the link, meaning that we lost this data. We lost this data, meaning that what you have to understand here is there is some logic is missing. So what is that? You need to traverse completely to where you will find a location null. Where you will find a location null. So, ready? Here null. So what I will do is, I will take some temporary pointer current equal to root, star current equal to root, and I will make a move while current, and I will simply modify current tends to data. So instead of all these, I will take current tends to left link, right? Once check here, right? Now I have created a node with a value 5 null. Now current contains what value? Current contains the address 100. The address 100. Now while current means some past value, so it is going to. Now impedance data is 5 less than 10. Yes. Then it is going to, what do we need to do? We need to traverse this process. Say, like for example, understood here. Let us take this address is 200. This address is 200. So it will find it like this. Now I got 9. Null 500. Now what we need to do is we don't want to change this address directly here. We need to traverse up to the null address. Whenever you encounter the null address, then only we need to modify. That's it. So check here. If impedance data is 9 less than current value means 10, right? Yes, 9 less than 10. Then what we need to do? We need to make to the left side. Once we make to the left side, so left side how we are going to move? Current equal to current tends left, meaning that I need to move to the 200th location. I need to move to the next location, right? Here also we did that only. 9 less than 10. I won't directly add here. I need to check the corresponding node. So for that, I am just taking one temporary pointer current. Okay. Now I am going to once again check. So I need to move right. So current equal to current tends to left link. Current equal to current tends to left. If it is not, what I will do? I will make a move to current equal to current tends to right link. Okay, fine. First we will check. What is the current now? Is 9 less than 10, right? Yes. Then current value is modified to what? 200. What is left link? 200. 200 is modified. Now once again it is going to execute. It is positive, right? Then it is going to execute. If impedance data, what is impedance data? 9. Is 9 less than, what is current this? 9 less than equal to 5? No. Then it is going to execute else condition. What is current equal to current tends to right link? Current value is modified to now. Whenever you encountered a value null, meaning that for this node you need to add this node as a chain. You need to add this as a chain, right? Now, is there any pointer which will be pointed to this one? No, we didn't maintain any pointer. Current is no pointed to null. So before going to make a move, what we will do is every time I am going to write something like here, parent equal to current. Parent equal to current. Actually, I have explained complete thing in binary tree. Okay. So before going to modify, right? I mean before going to modify. Once again I will explain the problem. First, the current is root 100. Now while 100, yes, star parent equal to what will happen? Parent also contains the value 100. Now temp density data. What is temp value? 9. This is temp. 9 is less than or equal to 10. Current density data. Yes. It is going to make a move to the left side. Yes. Current equal current density. So current density left link is 200. Now it is going to execute while 200 s positive. Then star parent equal to current. What is current? 200. Now temp density. What is temp density data? 9 is less than or equal to 5. 5 I am taking. Current density data 200 density data is 5. 9 less than or equal to 5. Completely fail. When completely fail, this one is good. Else condition. What is else condition? Current equal to current tends to right link. What is current equal to current tends to? Current tends to right link is 200. So I null. So it is going to make here null. It is going to make here null. When it is making null, it is going to execute once again. While null, condition is failed, so it comes out of black. When it comes out of the black, what you need to understand? For this node, I need to add this corresponding new node. For this node, you need to add. Right? Now you can observe, parent is pointed to the location, the parent. Sorry, this I can identify this parent node, right, with an address 200. So for this node, I need to add the data. Yes. So you have to write the logic. What you need to do? If current equal to null, I mean the current equal to null, what you have to check is you need to add this data to this one, right? If you want to add this data to this one, in which side you need to add this? Whether to the left side or right side, that depends upon the existing values, right? So for that, what you need to check? You need to check once again. If temp tends to data is less than or equal to parent tends to data, I think you understood, right? See, I am writing. If temp tends to data less than or equal to parent tends to data. Parent tends to data. Okay, I mean this value is less than or equal to parent tends data. Where I need to insert? I need to insert to the left side. I need to insert to the left side. If it is not, where I need to insert? I need to make this insertion to the right side of this one. If you want to make this to the right side of this one, you need to make modifications. What all I need to modify here? 500, right? So how we are going to move to this location? You can simply write parent tends to a right link equal to temp, so that parent is this one, this right link is null, that value is replaced with the temp value, so that will be connected like this. If it is, so for example, the value 4, then what I am going to do? Parent tends to left link equal to 10. Parent tends to left link equal to 10. Okay, fine. Once again we will say, don't worry. Okay, fine. So this is correct. Then I am requesting for to insert the value 14. So for that I am going to call once again this function. It is going to create a node. It is going to create a node with a value 14, and left side is null and right side is null. So read it. The value 14 read it, and left side is null I place and right side null is placed. And is root null? No. This is not the first node. Then I can say that surely I need to execute this code. So it is going to create one current pointer which contains what address? The address is 100. Now while positive value, it is going to create one more parent pointer. That parent pointer contains the address 100. Copying of the current value. Now temp, what is temp? This is the temp, right? Newly created node is a temp. Temp density data is 14 less than or equal to current is 100. 100 tends to data. That means 14 is less than or equal to 10? No. This condition is fail. When this condition is fail, you need to execute this one. That is current equal to current tends to right link. What is current equal to current tends to right link? Current is 100. 100 tends to right link is null. So while current, while null, meaning that this entire thing is fail. When this entire thing is fail, it is going to execute this statement. If current equal to null, yes, current equal to null, yes, current equal to null, then it is going to execute once again this statement. If temperature data, what is temperature data? 14 less than or equal to parent is, what is parent? 100, right? 14 is less than or equal to 10 or not? No, this condition fails. When this condition fails, it is going to execute this one. Parent tends right link. What is parent tends right link? Parent is 100, 100 tends right link is this one, equal to 10. What is temp value? Like I am assuming that it is 300. So this particular parent tends right link is null. That null value is replaced with 300. So whenever it this node knows the address 300, so it will be connected like this. That's it. So this way it is going to create a node. Okay, fine. That's it. So this is the code for to create a node, to insert a node in a binary search tree. Or for example, let's take one more value, node 12. So usually asking for once again to insert some node data 12. Then it is going to create some temporary node, and in that particular node it is going to insert the value 12. Left side is null, right side is null. So it is going to check whether it is the first node or not. It is not first node because it contains already some positive value. Now it is going to create some current pointer. That current pointer is root node value. What is root node value? 100. Then while current, some positive value. Then it is going to take some parent node. Parent equal to current. What is current? 100. Now parent value is 100. When parent value is 100, it is going to execute this. This is 10, right? Temperature data is 12. Is 12 less than or equal to current data? 100 times data. What is 10? 12 less than or equal to 10 or not? Condition is surely fail. Then it is going to execute the else block. Current equal to current times right link. What is current equal to current times right link? Current value is 100. 100 times right link is 300. Meaning that my pointer is moved to 300, this particular location. Okay. Now current is moved to current is, what is current times right link? 300. Now once again, while 300 is a positive value, it is going to execute star parent equal to current. What is current value? 300. Now it temperature data. What is temperature data? 12 less than or equal to 300. 12 less than or equal to current data. Current value is 300. 300 data is 40. So 12 less than or equal to 14, right? Yes. Condition is true. When this condition is true, it is going to execute current equal to current tends to left link. What is current tends to left link? Null. This value is replaced with null. Now while current, so null. When this condition is null, it fails. It comes out of the. And is current double equal to null? Yes, it's true. When it is true, it is going to execute this statement. If temperature data, what is temperature data? 12. 12 less than or equal to parent tens data. What is parent? 300, right? So 300 data is 40. So 12 less than or equal to 40? Yes, this condition is true. When this condition is true, parent tends to left link. What is parent tends to left link? Parent tends to left link is this one, equal to temp. What is temp value? I am simply writing it is this address is double 600. So parent tends to left link as 600, so that it will be connected like this, and it will exit from the program. So this way it is going to create a binary. So next, it is like this. It is going to create a node 1 with an address null. So if you want to make this, here I need to write 400. So if I want to create 600, 6 null, this address is 600. If it want to connect to here, I need to make 600. Okay, like this, we are going to create a binary search tree or inserting a node in a binary search tree. That's it.